Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for this video we are going to discuss the part 3 of addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions or algebraic fractions. Right? Let's start. Okay, so we have 6 all over xy minus 4 all over xy squared. Now notice that they are not the same. They do not have the same denominator. So this one is y squared and this is one is y. So what are we going to do with this? So first, of course, you have to multiply it by y over y. And minus 4 all over x minus, no, not minus, sorry. So we have y squared. Okay, so we have 6y over xy squared minus 4 all over xy squared. Okay, so they have now the same denominator. So I can copy it. xy, sorry, xy squared. Alright, so we have 6y minus 4. Okay, so or if you want, you can factor it by 2 times 3y minus 2 all over 6, no, not 6, xy squared. Alright, next one. 1 over 2a squared minus 5 over 4a. Okay, so notice that they have different denominators. This is 2 and this is 4. Now to make it 4, I have to multiply it by 2 over 2. 1 over 2a squared minus 5 over 4a squared. Oops, there's no squared here. And then, okay, since the first term has a squared denominator and our second term has only a, so I have to multiply it by a over a. Okay, so we have 2 over 4a squared minus 5a all over 4a squared. Okay, so now we have the same denominator, so we can now proceed to subtraction. So we have 2 minus 5a all over 4a squared. Next one. So we have 5 over 3xy plus 4 over 5x squared. Okay, so what are we going to do to make it to have the same denominator, or to find the least common multiple? So we have 3 here and then we have 5. So the least common multiple, of course, is 15, right? So I am going to multiply this by 5 over 5. Okay. Next one. So notice that the denominator of the second term has x squared, and on the first term is only x. So to make it x squared also, so I have to multiply it also by 5x over 5x. Okay, so times 5 over 3xy plus, okay, so we have 4, 5x squared times. Okay, so let us now look at the first, what do you call this? The first term, the denominator, the first term. So we have y, okay, and we multiply it by 5 to make it 15. So it means this is 5 already. So we have 5x squared, right? So I am going to multiply it by 3 over 3 to have 15 also. Next, so we have x squared here, okay, and then I multiply it by x for the first term to make it x squared also. And the first term has y denominator, and on the second term we do not have y, so I'm going to multiply it also by y over y. Okay, so we have 5x times 5 is 25x all over, so we have 15x squared y. So we have plus 4 times 3 is 12 y all over 15x squared y. Alright, so now we have the same denominator. So we have 15x squared y and then 25x plus 12y. Next. Okay, so this is easier. So we have 3 all over 5 times quantity a plus 2 plus a all over a plus 2. So notice that the denominator, the first term, has 5. So I'm going to multiply it only by 5 over 5. Okay, so I'm going to write it here now. 5 over 5. Okay. So we have 3 all over 5 times quantity a plus 2 plus we have 5a all over 5 quantity a plus 2. Okay. So we have 3 plus 5a all over 5a plus, no, sorry. Okay, 5 quantity a plus 2. This is correct already, but if you want, you can rewrite it by 5a plus 3 all over 5 times quantity a plus 2. 4x minus 3 all over 6 minus x minus 3 all over 9. Okay, so we have 6 and 9. So the least common multiple of 6 and 9 is, of course, we have 18. And to get the 18, the denominator of 18, so we have to multiply this by 3 over 3 for the first term. So we have 4x minus 3 all over 6 minus, and to have 18, we have 2 over 2 times x minus 3 over 9. So we have 3 times 4x minus 3 all over 18 minus we have 2 times x minus 3 all over 18. Next one, so I'm going to write it here. Let's proceed. So we had 12 minus 9, 12x, sorry, minus 9, and then minus 2x and then plus 6 all over 18. So we have 12x minus 2x is 10x. And then negative 9 plus 6 is negative 3 all over 18. Next. So we have, okay, this is 15 and this is 10. So the least common multiple of 15 and 10 is what? 30. Very good. So I'm going to multiply it by 2 over 2 times x minus 6 over 15 plus. So we have to make it 30. To get the 30, 3 over 3 times 4 minus x all over 10. Okay, so we have 2 times quantity x minus 6. We have 30 plus we have 3 times 4 minus x all over 30. Okay, so let's go to multiply. We have 2x minus 12 and then plus 12 minus 3x. Okay, so negative 12 and positive 12, so we have 0. We have 2x minus 3x over 30. So we have negative x over 30. Alright, that's all for today. Simple and easy. This is Concur TV. Thank you very much.